In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean the Kanban done column in Jira. Keeping your Kanban board organized is crucial for maintaining workflow efficiency, and part of that is regularly clearing out completed tasks from your done column. So let's walk through the steps together, making sure you know exactly how to tidy up your workspace. First off, begin by navigating to your Jira homepage. This is where all the magic starts. From the homepage, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll find the Projects tab there. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all the projects you're currently engaged with. Look for the specific project you want to work with today and click on it. This will take you straight into that project's workspace, where we'll do some spring cleaning. With your project in view, you'll notice a board option. Go ahead and click on it. This is your portal to the Kanban board where all your tasks are visually managed. The board gives you a comprehensive view of your tasks, segmented by different columns, each representing a phase in your workflow. Next, navigate to the Done column. This is the final resting place for all tasks that have been completed. Over time, this column can get quite cluttered, making it difficult to quickly assess recently completed versus older tasks. To start the cleanup process, focus on those three horizontal dots. You'll typically find them at the top right of the Done column. Clicking these will give you a drop-down menu of additional options. What you want to do here is select the Clear Done Issues option. Choosing this option will help in removing all those tasks that have already been completed. Keep in mind though that this action will clean your done column, so make sure any important information from those completed tasks is documented somewhere else if you still need it before confirming. Now, if at any point you need to review all the done issues for reporting or auditing, you can easily do so. Simply click on the See All Done Issues link. This will pull up a record of all items that have ever passed through the done stage. It's a handy feature when you need to track past work or gather data on your task completion history without the clutter on your active board. And there you have it, a clean and efficient done column. Maintaining a routine check and clearing your done tasks ensures that your board remains an effective tool for managing ongoing projects. By keeping your workspace organized, you facilitate a smoother workflow for yourself and anyone else who collaborates on your Jira board. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to a more streamlined project management experience on Jira.